Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a full day of eating. It is early, only about 7:30, getting ready to have my decaf and my breakfast, which I will of course show you guys. I have some errands to run. I have a hair appointment this morning, and so I'm gathering up some snacks as well to take with me because I never go anywhere without snacks. And I will share more with you guys about Liquid IV. They came in so needed when we were in Texas, and that is why I continue to share Liquid IV with you guys. But I just wanted to let you know we're gonna be doing a full day of healthy eating. I'm not sure exactly what else I will include in this video. If I make it to the grocery store, which is much needed, I will add that in, but if not, it'll just be a full day of eating for you guys.
I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't.
So here are my snacks that I am putting in my purse as I head off to my hair appointment. They take about 3 hours, so I'm always pretty starving once I leave. So I have this Orgain protein snack bar. I have this cashew cranberry trail mix. These little packages we bought for our trip to Texas, and so we just have extra left over. And then I'm gonna grab a banana, and then of course, because it's summertime and I'm really focused on staying super hydrated, I have my jug. I'm getting ready to fill it up, and this holds over 80 ounces of water. So I like that I don't have to constantly refill it. The only thing I wish is that it was insulated like a Hydro Flask, but I did buy the sleeve for it. I just took it off. So anyway, I've been enjoying having this gigantic water jug that I only have to fill up one time. So that's what I'm bringing with me to the hairdresser this morning, and then after that I'll get back and I'll have lunch. All right, I just finished getting my hair done, ate my snacks in there while my color was processing, and my where my hairdresser, the salon, has a coffee shop inside, so I grabbed an oat milk latte, half sweet, that they have there. It's like a maple pecan. It's like a specialty one, so hopefully it's good. But I grabbed this while I was in there. Now I'm gonna head home and continue on with my day. The air conditioner is blasting because it's 110. But yes, the kids asked if I would stop at Chick-fil-A, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab that for them, and I'll probably get myself the market salad with no blue cheese. It has really good macros on it. Low fat, low carb, high protein. Okay guys, I just got back from Costco. As you can see, I spent $645 on food. Completely and totally food. Not one cleaning item or household item, strictly food. But I will say that we are going camping, and so I did get some things that I don't usually get. For example, drinking water. We're going dry camping, so we need to bring our water with us. So I am going to show you guys everything that I got at Costco. It was a little mix of things I need for camping weekend, and then, you know, like a normal grocery restock. So we will start over here. I got the Orgain plant protein shakes. Those are super nice to have when you're camping. Just keep them refrigerated, and it's a great way to keep protein up. I got a huge thing of eggs for camping, potato salad, and then just to have. Got organic salted butter, feta cheese to make pasta salad. These are my favorite taco trays to bring for dinners. But one thing I am going to do differently is I'm going to individually bag this stuff, because these trays take up my whole fridge in my RV. But it's so nice once you get set up to not have to cook a whole huge meal. So total convenience item, but love those. I got 2 packages of the 4-pound organic ground beef. I got chicken breasts, organic chicken breasts. Then I got a rotisserie chicken to make chicken salad. I got sliced cheese for barbecuing. Here's another thing I like to bring camping, the fully cooked meatballs. We just make rice, and it's a filling and easy dinner. I got these for meal preps when I get back. They look really, really good. Favorite pickles for burgers, tomatoes for pasta salad. I got some Kodiak mix. They finally had egg whites again. Our Costco is still frequently out of things that I would normally get, and it just never sits well with me. Glad to see egg whites. Got 3 cartons of organic milk, broccoli for eating, pasta salad, Brussels sprouts, dinner side. Here's a convenience item. It's fully cooked bacon. You just need to heat it up. That's a new thing I'm trying because every time I cook bacon inside our RV, the smoke alarm goes off. So maybe that will not happen with those. I got oven roasted turkey breast. I got Chobani yogurts, no sugar, some pasta sauce, organic carrots, Mateo's salsa for eating and snacking, and pasta salad, mini sweet peppers, cucumbers, same thing, lettuce for burgers and sandwiches, bananas, the summer Waterloo pack, orange, pineapple, watermelon. Those sound really good. These are great for lunch on the road. It is a convenience item, but it's cheaper than stopping and going into like a drive-through, plus much better for you. There's like 16 grams of protein in each one. Organic grapes, organic blueberries, organic strawberries, 2 boxes of Kirkland protein bars to stock up, 2 things of organic syrup, organic chicken bone broth. Peanut butter is getting weird, so I got what they had, which was this one, the organic Kirkland, and then the crunchy Skippy. My kids like the teal one. We can't find it. Brownie brittle for a little treat. That's It bars for snacks. This is like the whole snack section. Organic dried mangoes, Archer Farms beef mini sticks, the one item I let my kids choose back there. These almonds are so good. If you guys haven't tried them, they're delicious. Kettle barbecue chips, late July tortilla chips, and then tons of bread. But what do you know? I couldn't get sourdough. Hawaiian rolls, burger buns that got smashed, pita bread, sandwich thins, artisano bread, Dave's Killer bread, and 2 things of bagels. So that is everything that I got at Costco for this like camping and little grocery stock up. I will probably have to go back once we get back, but our fridge can only hold so much. So I need to get it all put away, but this is what I got at Costco for $645. So for my afternoon snack, I'm gonna do one of these Chobani Zero Sugar yogurts. I had a little bit of berries left over that needed to be eaten that I didn't wanna waste, and a tiny bit of this Safe and Fair birthday cake granola. It's really good. They have it at Target as well as Costco, but I just put maybe like 1/4 of a cup just to give it some crunch on top. And this is a great pre-workout snack. All right, guys, for dinner tonight, I'm gonna be making like 1-pan sheet meal, but I have to do 2 pans. So I actually have to do 2 pans because my family is obviously has teenagers and they eat a lot. So these are from Trader Joe's. Cut up some potatoes, Brussels sprouts, onions. I'm gonna season them up with avocado oil and just like garlic, salt, pepper. And then I have Mike's hot honey that I will put over mine because I like that. It's a little too spicy for the kids, but I'll drizzle that on top of mine, and this will be an easy. So while I cook, I'm going to have a scoop of protein in water for my protein shake. Usually I work out and then I cook dinner, and so I'm always really hungry when dinner is cooking, and so having a protein shake, 24 grams of protein, and this one has BCAAs in it. It helps me not like go into the pantry and grab crackers while I'm cooking. So I'm gonna have that as I finish dicing up dinner. So that is gonna be it for this full day of eating and grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some food ideas from my video. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up before you go. It's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you guys again really soon. Bye, friends.